Yeah. Tequila! You got the idea. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. My name's Tom Dyer. I've been bartending for about 20 years, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spicy margarita. That is coming right up at the beginning of this video. I'm going to do some tricks whilst making that spicy margarita. I'm going to show you how to do those tricks at the end of the video. I've got myself a little sombrero here. Sombrero! So we do need to have ourselves a cocktail glass. That's going to just be filled with crush. I'm going to put that out there, out the way. And then this is a shake and strain cocktail. We need to make it in our Tom's Tiki Tin on Tin shaker set. Yes, available from my website, tomdyerbartender.com. The spice. Oh, one, these ones are nice and spicy. Oh yeah, wow. Holy Jesus. Next up, we need some tequila. I love this move, and I love this move. Super simple to perform. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to start with 40 mils of this delicious Don Julio tequila. Now, they're not paying me. I just had this one available, so I'm going to use that. But I do recommend like a white or a blanco tequila. They seem to mold the best for these kind of cocktails. Next, we do need to have some Cointreau. Love that move as well. 20 mils. Okay. And then a knife. Right, we now need to bring our chopping board into play because we need to have some fresh lime juice in the drink. Probably not going to show you that, it's going to take too long, but okay, so you need 30 mils of lime juice. So that is about one whole lime. Now I'm going to do something a little bit controversial, and that is using granulated sugar. Now, I'm going to stir that up inside the cocktail. Right, let's give this a nice good shake. Shake off the excess water. Now we're going to grab our little TD strainer. Available from my shop as well. These things are badass. You want to get yourself one of those. And we're going to be using this little Gorky strainer right here. I've got myself a little dehydrated lime wheel. And then I've got some pepper flakes in this glass. And I'm just going to dip that in there. Just peg that to the side of the glass. Like this. Ooh, that is your spicy margarita made with flair. Right, let me show you how to do those moves. And we started off with the martini glass or the cocktail glass. You're gonna throw it half, not even a half, quarter of a spin and place it onto your arm. So you can practice by doing this, boom. And then from there, you give it a full hit. It will come around for a full spin, and then you're going to catch it in your hand like this. So as you pick it up, now you can come and add some ice into the... Right, the next move I performed was, a little switcheroo with the Tom's Tiki Tin on Tin. Now how we do this is you're going to grab both items like that, small shaker towards you and the large shaker further away. You flick the large shaker over there, then you're going to throw the small shaker over there, but you're going to catch the small shaker in the same position, and at the same time you're going to throw this up for a double spin and land it inside the small shaker. So all together you go flick, flick, switch, catch. So we grab some ice, we come around, and then bam! You've got the shakers open, and you've got this small one loose in your hand. Loosey-goosey, baby, loosey-goosey. You put the ice in, you come underneath, you perform the spin, catch, drop it in your ice well, or throw and let it drop in your ice well. Turn that over, release that over to there, and you move your hand from here to here, so you go into beer grip, and then have this finger spare, you do a double spin, straight into the large shaker. Now with the tequila, all right, we just threw it up and caught it like this. Yes, we did. you throw it, you catch it, and then you can move on to your next move and start making your cocktail. Taking it out, taking it off, throw, catch. Now the next move was with my Grail jigger, and it's basically a thumb roll, but it's from that position. So it's super quick to perform because you're picking it up from there, bringing it to yourself, using a move, and then continuing. So you're not slowing down your service at all. Palms facing up, thumbs away, and with the Grail, you can basically pick this up with one thumb or one finger. And you're just gonna spin this around towards you, woo, okay, and catch it for a thumb spin. So you're basically doing this, all right? I'll show you once more. Bottle, top, grab, spin, pour your 40 mils, all right. Pour, cut, spin over, pour, and then we can do another one. Once you've poured your tequila, you can leave a little bit, you can make a hinge, spin it over, you're gonna pour, swing down, throw and catch, then you can drop the top, place that on top, put the jigger down, bish bash bosh, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and you're on to pouring your Quanto. Right, the next move was with the spoon, and was just a simple throw like this. Now, there's 1,000,001 different finger spinning moves that you can perform, which I've done videos on. There's full videos of me doing bar spoon tricks. But I just like this one because you can throw it up and catch it. And when you get good at it, you can even catch it on your arm like this and then continue using the spoon. The move that I did for this was just a palm spin and then we shook. But I'm gonna show you a bonus move for this one. Now this is just this. So you're picking it up and letting it roll around your hand. So as you pick it up, boom, grab, and off you go. Spicy margarita with flair. Yes, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love a spicy margarita. How do you make your spicy margaritas? Is there a specific chili that you use? Because the chili will make a difference, the tequila will make a difference, the lime will make a difference as well. So let me know in the comments, what kind of spicy margarita do you like to make, and maybe I'll put it into another video when I get the opportunity. But don't forget, I'm also on Patreon. Over there you can find more content, behind the scenes, bloopers, and 3 Minute Thursday is back. 3 Minute Thursday is videos 3 minutes long, roughly. Every Thursday, teaching you flair tricks which you can use behind the bar. The latest installment is the WFA grading yellow level. I'm doing a full season on how to perform all the moves on the WFA yellow level. So when you want to take your test, you have the videos to be able to do so. You will have to sign up to my Patreon to get access to those videos, but you're gonna get 4 videos a month from that, plus the bonuses and the added extras that I upload on that platform as well. So go check it out, and if you've got any questions, please do let me know. But thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Do tag me in any posts or stories on Instagram or TikTok. You can go check me out over there. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And to all my patrons, thank you so much for all your support. Until next time, see you then.